Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 5, End-to-End Connectivity and Visibility. Lesson 2, Lot and Real-Time Tracking. Lot and Real-Time Tracking. In the previous lesson, we discussed the importance of control towers for providing a centralized view of the supply chain. But a control tower is only as good as the data it receives. Where does that real-time data come from? It comes from the physical world, captured and transmitted by a network of smart devices. In this lesson, we will explore the Internet of Things, IoT, and its critical role in enabling real-time tracking and end-to-end visibility. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the Internet of Things, IoT, in the context of supply chain management. Identify different types of IoT devices and sensors used in logistics. Explain how real-time tracking enhances supply chain visibility, efficiency, and security. Understand the benefits of integrating IoT data with supply chain management systems. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? At its simplest, the Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the vast network of physical objects, or things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. Think of it as giving a voice to physical objects. In your personal life, this might be a smartwatch that tracks your heart rate or a smart thermostat you can control from your phone. In the supply chain, this concept is revolutionary. We are no longer just shipping boxes and containers. We are shipping smart, connected assets that can communicate their status, location, and environment throughout their journey. IoT devices in the supply chain, the eyes and ears. For a beginner student, it's helpful to think of IoT devices as the eyes and ears of the supply chain. They collect raw data from the physical world. Here are the most common types. GPS trackers. These are the most well-known. They provide continuous, real-time geographic location data for trucks, containers, ships, and even individual high-value packages. They answer the question, where is my shipment right now? RFID, radio frequency identification, tags. These are small, electronic tags that use radio waves to transmit data to a reader. Unlike barcodes, which need to be scanned manually and line of sight, RFID tags can be read automatically from a distance and in bulk, e.g., scanning every item on a pallet as it passes through a warehouse door. They are excellent for inventory accuracy and asset tracking. Environmental sensors. These sensors go beyond location to monitor the condition of the goods themselves. They are crucial for sensitive products like food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. Temperature sensors. Monitor if a refrigerated container, a reefer, has stayed within the required temperature range, ensuring the safety of vaccines or fresh produce. Humidity sensors. Track moisture levels, which is vital for goods like wood, paper, or certain chemicals. Light sensors. Can detect if a container has been opened unexpectedly, alerting to potential tampering or theft. Shock, vibration sensors. Monitor for impacts or rough handling, critical for fragile items like electronics or machinery. How real-time tracking works, from sensor to insight. How does the data from a sensor in the middle of the ocean become a useful alert on a logistics manager's screen? It follows a simple path. Sensing. An IoT device, e.g., a temperature sensor in a shipping container, detects a condition, e.g., the temperature has risen above 4 degrees Celsius. Connectivity. The device transmits this data via a network, cellular, satellite, Wi-Fi, or low-power wide area networks, to the cloud. Processing and analysis. Cloud-based platforms receive the data. They aggregate it, apply business rules, and analyze it. The system knows that a temperature above 4 degrees Celsius for this type of vaccine shipment is a problem. Actionable insight. The system generates an alert. This alert is sent to the relevant person, e.g., the logistics manager, through a supply chain control tower or a mobile app, allowing them to take immediate action, such as redirecting the shipment or dispatching a technician. Benefits of IoT and real-time tracking. Integrating IoT into supply chain operations offers significant advantages that directly address the challenges of a complex, global network. Proactive issue resolution. Instead of finding out at delivery that a refrigerated truck broke down and the goods are spoiled, you are alerted the moment the temperature fluctuates. This allows you to fix the problem, reroute the shipment, or send a replacement before it impacts the customer. Enhanced visibility. For both the business and its customers, IoT provides true end-to-end visibility. You can see exactly where an order is, its estimated time of arrival, and the condition it's in. This builds trust and allows for better planning. Improved efficiency. Data from IoT devices can be used to optimize routes based on real-time traffic, streamline port entry based on exact arrival times, and automate inventory counts in warehouses, saving time and fuel. Increased security and loss prevention. Real-time GPS tracking acts as a powerful deterrent against theft. Geofencing, creating virtual boundaries, can trigger an alert if a truck or container deviates from its planned route, enabling a rapid response to potential security breaches. Data-driven decision-making. Over time, the data collected provides invaluable insights. You can analyze which shipping lanes are most prone to delays, which carriers handle goods with the most care, based on shock sensor data, and how seasonal weather patterns impact transit times. Summary. In this lesson, we learned that the Internet of Things, IoT, is the foundational technology that brings the physical supply chain into the digital world. By equipping assets with sensors like GPS, RFID, and environmental monitors, we can track their location and condition in real time. This constant stream of data enables companies to move from reactive problem solving to proactive management, resulting in greater efficiency, security, and customer satisfaction. The insights generated by IoT are the lifeblood of the control towers we discussed in the previous lesson, making end-to-end visibility a reality. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.